If you don't want to miss any Bollywood gossip, press the bell icon to get instant update from us.
The Dabangg daughter of Shatrughan Shotgun Sinha is the perfect example of bold and beautiful. This actress has not only aced her silver screen game but is also never khamosh when things really come to her head, and she has proved that time and again by shutting down her trollers. Let's take a look. Trolled for failing to answer KBC question. As soon as the episode featuring Sonakshi Sinha was telecasted, the actress was brutally trolled for not being able to answer a question on the quiz show. Things got so bad that hashtag #YoSonakshi started trending on Twitter. But instead of taking this quietly, Sonakshi shut the mouth of the trollers with a hard-hitting reply, giving trolls other interesting options for new memes on her. She ended the post with, अगर आपके पास कोई काम नहीं और इतना टाइम है तो प्लीज़ ये सब पे भी मीम्स बनाओ ना. I love memes. Body shamed. Ever since Sonakshi Sinha stepped into the industry of glamour Bollywood, the actress has often found herself at the receiving end of brutal criticism for her body weight. With hurtful remarks like Moti, Auntie G and Fatso, the actress was body shamed in whatever she did. So the fearful actress decided to break the silence on this issue and shut the haters for once and for all by sharing an empowering video titled Bigger Than Them. Sonakshi said, "Let's talk about the elephant in the room. For years I've been trolled because of my weight. I've never felt the need to react because I always believed #bigger than them, pun intended." But well, these weren't the only things for which the actress had faced such viciousness on social media. Sonakshi Sinha was also trolled by the netizens who thought that the actress was not donating and helping the people affected by the pandemic. But the boss lady gave a befitting reply to her trollers and took them down. Sonakshi tweeted, "Minute of silence for trolls who think just because it wasn't announced, contributions weren't made. नेकी कर दरिया में डाल, सुना तो होगा. कुछ लोग actually follow करते हैं. अब शांत हो जाओ and use your time to do some actual good. Announcing or not is a personal preference." Well, now you know why Sonakshi Sinha is known as the badass girl of B-Town, and we applaud the actress for taking down these nasty trollers in the most savage way.